dimensions in HR using technology, learning, excellence. Across various dimensions of HR, we've selected certain people, and this is, so we have a select set of judiciary which has selected these people, and as part of a nomination you have to write what you've done best and to be able to get that award. So our jury has selected from numerous entries and selected these people. Having said that, let me call the first award, which goes to Ericsson for Innovative Rewards Program for Employees.
सेंटर हो जाए सेंटर, कोई बात नहीं, चलेगा।
The next award, I mean, can you think of a world without learning? The next award, which goes for Equal Opportunity Employer Award, goes to Times Professional Learning. In a world of pain, in a world of chaos, you still have to do HRM. So the next award, Excellence in HRM Implementation of Exceptional and Unique HR Model, goes to a hospital, Institute of Liver and Biliary Sciences, to Lieutenant Colonel R.S. Singh. For a set of people you never meet. For a set of world you have to only envision and no one else has. So the next award, which goes for Innovation Concepts in Workplace Solutions aimed to enhance human resource development, goes to Urbane, the Design Workshop, and I request Manish Kaur to accept the award. Again, hospitality sector is the most customer-centric segment, and the next award is for Best HR Leader, which goes to Radisson Blu Indore, and this is of course Manmeet, the Manmeet who is supposed to receive is not here, so I'm asking another Manmeet to receive the award on his behalf. Again, can you think about a world without hiring? Fresh talent, very challenging sales part of HR. The next award goes to Recruitment Strategy, to Times Professional Learning. One of the speakers was talking about how to manage change is to break up every aspect, every process into small nano parts and to be able to manage the change. So the next award, which goes to excellence in leadership in project execution, the industries, industrial construction and infrastructure, goes to SCON Project Private Limited. Ramachandran, the managing director, so the director execution is here to receive the award. So when I started doing employee marketing and employee branding, some HR head explained what is the difference between employee engagement and employee working. So when an employee is engaged, he works with passion. He doesn't work like an employee, he works like an entrepreneur. So the next award, which goes for employee engagement and development excellence, goes to Himmat Singha CD Limited. Industries textiles. Draping the world, draping people, draping dreams. Technology drives us, technology enables us, technology empowers us, but technology can never be human, right? So the next award, which goes to how to leverage technology with HR innovation, goes to Genus Innovation Private Limited. Poorna Sadashiv is here to accept it, Industries Manufacturing. Countries, different cultures, diversities, inclusivity, equal employer, the best recruitment strategy against all these challenges goes to Ericsson for industry recognition of recruitment innovation. Industries Telecom. We all are what we are because of the education that we receive. Education is the elixir of civilized world, right? So next award goes to Times Professional Learning for business excellence in education as HR innovation. Times Professional Learning, Brilliant SK. You've got to share. The more you share, so joy shared is joy doubled, sorrow shared is sorrow half, expertise shared is expertise expanded, right? So the next award, which goes to top HR influencer and author, goes to Raj Gupta of TCS. Thanks for your speech. He's got a speaker award also. Thanks for your speech. Sorry, my fault. The place where you can come tired and go back rejuvenated and park your problems and go refreshed, the Park Hotels gets the best HR leadership in hospitality industry. Deepak Behel is here to accept the award. And also a speaker. who've shared their accumulated wisdom with all of us. These are the speaker awards. The first award, of course, she talked about finding a rhythm in your life. Dr. Anu Bini.
और पास में चला जाए और आगे बढ़ो।
You can't live without it. You can't leave it, right? Posh. Now I call the real Manmeet to come and collect his real award. Over to Manmeet Singh from Karma Consultants. So next time you come across a fog, don't curse it. So when you come across a volcano of changes, you say it's a VUCA word. The next speaker award goes to Shahab Jafri. Shahab.
Smile, smile.
The next award, how do you power 1.3 billion people by powering those set of people who are going to take 1.3 billion to the next level? Over to Madhu Mehta, who is powering those youthful dreams.
For handing over this certificate and for the person who has held us all together, Mr. Anshumani Saxena had to come here. Mr. Anshumani Saxena, give it up in applause for him, sir.
Now the most celebrated award, who shared insights about his entire lifespan, deserves the lifetime award, right? So the next award is to Vardarajan sir for life achievement in HR excellence.
Can we have a round of applause for sir?
So for the
लाइट बढ़ा दियो लाइट वेट करना सर 2-3 बार ले ड्रेस मिस हो
Request you stay back. If you can have all the awardees with the trophies and have a picture with sir. Then we
गया सर लुक हियर
Where?
सर
We're going to be
Wait, can I
screwing
say?
other cameras. Huh?
वेट करना सर थैंक यू
Thank
just
you.
can we have everyone in a
सर
group?
लुक हियर
Please.
All of us.
Yeah, all of us.
हो
गया आपका?
बैठ कर इस तरह
वेट
से।
करना सर.
ऐसे करो।
This is an action photo with the video. You have to keep moving.
बैठ.
I never understand why you should be still for a video.
The camera is moving.
चेक कर दे. ओके सर, थैंक यू.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to India's first corporate news channel. We invite interviews, articles, press releases from your organization. Visit our portal www.indianconventions.com. Thank you.